Hello and welcome to the first ever Optimal Alignment Health Meal Prep Session. Our goal is to help you eat right, think right, and move right. These meal prepping sessions will be based on whole food plant-based diets to help you live your healthiest life, help you live your best self, and help you learn how to cook if you're new in the kitchen. The meal prep is going to be easy. If you don't know how to cook, that's fine because you can just follow along. Today we're going to be cooking some tikka masala. Well, I hope that we will be. I've never made it before, so this will be a new experience for me as well, but I have faith that it's going to come out good. Alright, now we're going to cut up an onion and put that in there with it. It's the easiest way for onions. Onions suck. So, best thing I've ever found to get them over with quick. Cut off both ends. One slice into the middle there. So you can peel off a layer. You get all of this outer onion that you don't want. Of course, it crumbled in 9 pieces. Get that out of the way. Then take your onion and you're going to slice it into rings here. Once you have it sliced into rings, cut right down the middle. Then we're going to chop just like that. You can also do the whole thing at once if you're getting fancy, you want to do it quick. Bam! Then you take one of these sides and you just go against the grain, helping that process be so much faster. Bam, look at that. And the goal of chopping an onion is always to be done chopping it by the time it makes crack. Put all of that in there. So we have a red cabbage. Red cabbage, true story, is a superfood. Not just a superfood, but we just learned recently that red cabbage per dollar has got more antioxidants than any other food on earth. Like 5 times more than goji berries, like way more than blueberries, like literally, like so many antioxidants, it's crazy. So with that being said, red cabbage is gonna be on the menu a lot because it's that good for you, it's insane. And it lasts forever and it tastes good in food. And also we love organic no salt seasoning from Costco, hashtag Costco. It's really good. It has a lot of things in there that actually will mimic the taste of salt on your tongue, and so you actually don't need to use as much salt if you use a good balanced seasoning. You can always use celery, is also something that activates the salt sensors, or apple cider vinegar. Vinegar activates the salt receptors in your tongue, so it tastes salty. And if you have a little bit of vinegar, it's good for you too. So we're going to put a splash of that in there. Get that going. Oh, the onion. Oh no. Oh. And these are frozen. Broccoli in stir-fry California blend. Unfortunately, what I learned recently was that if you freeze vegetables, they lose their enzymes that are so good for you. So cruciferous vegetables, or cruciferocious, as Michael Greger likes to say, have many good things for you. In particular, one of them is called an enzyme or product called sulforaphane. And that is super good for your liver to help you detox, help you to anti-cancer, anti-tumor growth, it's really good for your system. And so glucosinaids, I believe, are the family that cruciferous vegetables have, something like glucosinaids. Maybe that's not right. If you know, you can comment and correct me. Happy to hear it. I just get so emotional cooking. I love food so much. And if no one's ever taught you how to hold the knife, my chef friend Ben Mattingly, who's one of my oldest friends, taught me. Don't hold the knife like this, right? You don't have any control. Instead, grab these two pincher fingers in your hand, wrap your bottom 3 fingers around the knife, and then use these 2 fingers to hold the actual blade. And then it's much more secure in your hands and much more well attached to your whole being. So reduce your injury, cutting yourself, which is worst. Oh, hate cutting myself. Awkward stage of hair's best friend, headband. Oh yeah, you see that? No more hair in the face. No more Baywatch flips. Sorry about that. It is done! We must see what we have created. If it's alive or not. I love plant-based food so much. Brings me to tears. Okay, well, let's wash that, because that sucks. Oh, it burns. The agony. Look how pretty that is. That is just pretty. Oh, and it's so good for you. It's a hit. I'm telling you, this is a hit. It's gold. Wasn't too gummy. Look at how that turned out. That turned out great. Super happy with that. And so now we've got the food. Oh, it's delicious smelling. It smells so zesty. Oh, it almost, wow, with that lemon and ginger, it almost tastes like a pumpkin tom yum soup almost, which is weird, but it's bomb. It's literally so good. There's no salt in there, there's no oil in there, there's no sugar in there. You don't need to add those things to make food delicious. That's one of the main points of this whole thing we're doing. And so if you're on board with no salt, oil, no sugar thing, send us your recipes. We're happy to cook them and explore. If you're not on board with it yet, cook this food. Cook it. Cook it. And see what else is possible, because everybody knows those things are not good for you. There is no heart healthy oil in the world. Olive oil is heart healthy, blah, blah, blah. No, oil is the most nutritionally dense food on the planet at like 4 to 5,000 calories a pound. There's no oil that is heart healthy. Subscribe to us for future videos in the future, first of all, because we'll be doing a whole bunch more of these. And if you would like us to do your shopping for you and to have your food show up, and because you're about that lifestyle change in whole food plant-based living, we can do that for you. Again, we are Optimal Alignment Health. Eat right, think right, move right. Eat right, think right, move right. That's what we're about. That's what we do. Check out our other videos. Give us feedback. We're happy to hear it. Hope you enjoyed. And I hope you made some delicious plant-based food today. And hopefully we hear from you soon. Thanks so much.